In this video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Casio F91W. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date, the time, and anything that is displayed on your Casio watch. I'm going to be primarily focusing on the date and time, but you will be able to adjust other options as well. So, to start changing the date and time, you have to press 3 times on the mode button here. So press 3 times on this button at the side. This one will allow you to select the date and time. So if you press it 3 times. So by using the light button, you can cycle through all of the individual things. So use this one to cycle or select, and this button at the other side will allow you to change the value. So it will go from 1 to 2 to 3, so on. So this will cycle through all of the options for a specified thing. So let's say, for example, you want to change the minutes. First, as always, press 3 times here to select this date and time panel. Then, to cycle through all of the options, press this button at the top. You will know that you have selected something when it is blinking. So if you see that the minutes are blinking, it means that they are selected. If you see the hours blinking, it means that the hours are selected. If you see the date at the top selected, blinking, it means that you chose it. And once it is blinking, you can press this button here to actually change the value. So then, let's say, for example, it is set to 58. Just press this button at the side until it increases to 59, 60, and so on. So, to keep it simple, you press 3 times on the mode button to go into the date and time. You use this button at the top, the light button, to cycle through all of the options. You will know that you have selected a specific one when it is blinking, so you will see it actively blink. And once a specific value is blinking, you can use the button at the side here to actually change the value of it. You will be able to change the date, the time, the hour, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Casio F91W. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.